Here I have Huawei MatePad 11.5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. Okay, so you can't really find this button here. So you should firstly go to settings, then go to the sound and vibration, and here you can find Do Not Disturb. So here you can enable this mode. You can also set up a schedule for it, like you can select days on which it will repeat, start time, end time, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.